Hi, this is ARES, and in this video I will show you how you can set up a drafting plane for the elevation. So first of all, we will go to the top view, activate grayscale coloring to be focused on non-point cloud geometry. We'll go to coloring settings, activate transparency. It's the same workflow as we are used for the floor plan UCS creation. Just in this video I will show a different workflow, but this workflow can be used to create UCS for the floor plans and elevations, so it's a universal method. And now I will pick rectangle tool, select the reference wall. As you can see, my rectangle vectorization is oriented to X and Y axis. And now I will type R, rotate, and we'll select this reference wall. And now you see that I have active rectangle tool. For example, now I can easily move to the corner of this building and check how this orientation is fitting to internal or external walls very easy. So you can see the orientation of this rectangle is perfect to fit this building. You can see that it's a correct one. And now I will draw the outline of the area of interest. So in this project, I will have 4 projections for the elevations. And now, if we are leaving this reference outline in the floor plan vectorization at the 0 elevation, so when you're vectorizing the elevations, you can rotate view from the side and just check the global level of your point cloud. You see around 18 meters over here. So I will select my reference lines and will set the elevation to 18 meters. So it will be my reference level. If I will decide to copy something from one drawing to another, and now I can very simple export this rectangle object to the lines. And now I will show you how you can set up the elevation projection. So we will use tool from the command line. I will just type UCS. We'll snap to this corner, another corner. We'll activate FA ortho mode and we'll point my y-axis to the top. And now, as you can see, the drafting plane axis X and Y is oriented to building elevation, and Z axis is looking to us. Yeah? So it is correct setup of elevation. Now we just need to save this new UCS. So type UCS comment again and a name as save, and just write the name elevation 1. That's all. We will have the elevation 1, and if we will press the get the top view, we will see the building outline. Okay, so now I will deactivate the transparency mode. We'll go to the top of this building and just want to make a slice. And one is a very important thing. When I will start using this clip by rectangle tool, you will see that orientation is not fitting my current active UCS. Yeah, because before I used the rectangle tool and changed the global orientation to vectorize the geometry using the rectangle tool. So now I will do very similar. I will use this clip by rectangle tool, clicking on the first point, typing R rotate, F8 auto mode, and now I can flip point cloud according to my new UCS. And top view, and I will see the elevation of this building. And if I will vectorize windows opening, not very detailed, just to show how my UCS is looking. And if I will rotate this view, you will see these two windows openings are on my new UCS plane. And this line is as a datum line. And if I will go back to old coordinate system, this reference line will show the 18 meters of a global point cloud level. And if you have 4 corrections, so you can copy this master file and make a copy for each separate file. And when you're having these lines, you can very easily set up new UCS for each reference lines or each separate elevation projection. To save UCS for the second elevation projection, we can type UCS and A, save, write the name elevation 2, press enter, and now we have saved UCS elevation 1 and 2. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.